It's now time to test. We're going to test a SC UPC connector using a U25MB tip, which we're going to cover a little later. Now we just need one step, which is connecting the fiber to our probe, and it will auto center, auto focus, auto capture, and provide the analysis right away. You can look at the screen, or you can actually look at the LED indicator right here on the probe without even looking at your screen. What you can do whenever you are in this view here, you can actually zoom in onto the defaults and see where they're at. You can take out the overlay or leave it for a better view, and you can actually inspect results and see where it fails according to the standards. Now that the connector is dirty, we can simply cleaning up using this type of cleaner. And perform the test again. You are now in live view. The test has been performed. The analysis is being done. And we now have a clean connector.